The ultimate knife for outdoors and bushcrafting. The Holtzman Silverback. This high-quality knife is ergonomically designed with a G10 handle for superior grip and longevity. The handle consists of a finger guard that keeps the fingers safely behind the cutting edge. The overall length of the fixed blade knife measures 8.5 inches long, consisting of a full tang 4-inch drop point blade. The razor-sharp blade is constructed from a slab of D2 steel that runs the full length of the knife and is heat-treated to perfection to ensure superior strength without becoming brittle. Has the extra security of a removable leather strap. The knife has an adjustable belt clip with adjustable spacers, allowing it to fit belts and straps of various sizes. The belt clip can be flipped 90 degrees to enable different carry options with the included Allen wrench. The belt clip also is spring-loaded and has a locking feature. The sheath includes 2 attachments. One attachment is designed to hold the scraper, the other attachment is for holding the ferro rod. Both of these attachments can be removed with the included Allen wrench. The ferro rod has an overall length of over 3.5 inches with a matching G10 handle. The scraper has a perfect blend of steel and is heat treated to perfection to produce sparks of high intensity with every use. The scraper includes a 90-degree edge on every side, enabling all edges to be used as well as for ambidextrous use. It also comes with a matching G10 handle. This set also includes strong 550 paracord, which can be added to the handles of the knife and accessories. Additionally, the paracord can be used to create a lanyard for the ferro rod and scraper. This set comes nicely packaged in a genuine quality gift box and is perfect for the holidays, birthdays, or as a treat for yourself.
This is the Schrade SCHF-1 Extreme Survival Knife. Designed for hard use, the SCHF-1's handle and blade are drop forged from a single piece of 1070 high-carbon steel. 1070 high-carbon steel is known for being able to take a beating while performing tough tasks like batoning and chopping. The SCHF-1 has a very large 7.5 inch partially serrated drop point blade. It is coated in a protective matte finish. The fine edge is over 5.5 inches long, with 1.5 inches of hybrid flat-tip serrations that are designed to resist breaking, stay sharp, and increase the slicing and sawing power of the knife. The solid steel barrel handle has a textured grip and houses a 12-piece bit driver set. You can easily remove the bit set and fill the large handle cavity with compact tactical or survival gear. A rubber gasket in the end cap seals water out. An 18-inch lanyard is included for extra safety or for use as emergency cording. Secure the end cap to use the pommel as a crushing tool. The SCHF-1 is safely stored and carried in a ballistic nylon sheath. Lock the knife into the sheath with the adjustable strap. Use the lanyard to lash the sheath bottom to your leg. Fill the front pouch with your survival gear or decrease the profile of the sheath by removing it. Use the adjustable rear strap for multiple carry options, or easily attach the sheath to your belt without removing it. Designed for rough use in tactical and survival situations, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF-1 Extreme Survival Knife.
MASALONG Outdoor Survival Claw Tactical Teeth has a unique blade, and it is designed for hardcore users. The type of steel, the sheath, all suggest that. On our tests, it performed well in all situations, and we were unable to damage the blade. The sheath in question offers a tight fit and will keep the blade securely in place at all times. The stainless steel in question is very desirable for all knives, especially karambit models. It is a perfect combination of lightweight material and strength,